Hi guys, a blessed day to all of you and I hope you're all doing well. Ken Guitars here again. Ito na naman ako.
Okay.
What I'm going to share to you now is the song titled Palagi by Mr. TJ Monterde. Yung kanyang Wish 1075 Bus version. Pero ang gagawin natin is yung kanyang second guitarist, no? Yung part 1, yung rhythm, which is siya. And then ngayon, yung second part, yung lead guitarist niya, yung aking i-share sa inyo ngayon. Kung paano perform yung song doon sa Wish 1075 Bus. Alright, so without further ado, let's do it! Alright, so before we start, baka po nagtataka kayo na yung kapo ko po ay nakalagay sa third fret, no? Kasi yung nasa Wish Bus version ni Mr. TJ is andito yung kanyang kapo. Kasi po yung tune ng gitara niya doon ay E standard. Ang electric guitar ko po ay naka-tune ng E flat, so that's why I need to put it on the third fret. Alright, so basically yun lang po yung kanyang intro, no? So let's go ahead and break down the thing that's going on there. Alright, English yun, no?
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Okay. Ang una pong ginawa niya ay put your finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and then 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then 4th fret, 2nd string, and then slide it to 5th fret, 2nd string, and then lapit natin yung camera para mas makita, and then pindutin nyo ulit yan, slide it to the 7th fret, 2nd string, goes back to 5th fret, 2nd string, and then goes back to 7th fret, 2nd string, and then to 9th fret, 2nd string, then goes back to 5th fret, 2nd string. So ito po siya ng mabagal. Alright, sana po nag-guess nyo yun. And then yung second part niya is kapag sabayin nyo ng kalabet yung nasa 4th fret, 3rd string, and then 5th fret, 2nd string. Then na-hammer kayo dito sa 6th fret, 3rd string. And then bitaw, kalpitin nyo ulit yung nasa 4th fret, 3rd string, at nasa 5th fret, 2nd string. And then kalbitin nyo naman susunod yung nasa 6th fret, 4th string, tapos yung nasa 4th fret, 4th string, then, nasa 2nd fret, 4th string, and then slide it to 4th fret, 4th string. So ito siya ng mabagal. Alright, so gawin natin ng buo ng mabagal. Alright, sana po nag-get nyo yun. Alright, so ang next part po niya ay ito. And then, tapos, alright, so let's break down what's happening there. Okay? So, bale, kalipitin nyo tong nasa 7th fret, 5th string. And then 4th fret, 3rd string. Kalpitin nyo ulit ng isa pa. And then sunod is 5th fret, 2nd string. And then gawin nyo to. Hindi ko po alam kung anong tawag dito.
Gago!
Para na kayo. Alright, kung anong tawag. Ilalagay nyo yung inyong middle finger dito sa 6th fret, 6th string. Tapos yung inyong index finger dito sa 4th fret, 4th string. Yung ring finger nasa 6th fret, 3rd string. And yung pinky finger nasa 7th fret, 2nd string. Dapat ganito po yung tunog niya. And then gagawin nyo itong F sharp minor, yung tinatawag nating F sharp minor. Hindi po na tunog dapat tong 5th string, ha. And then ginawa niya to. Alright, so pagsamasamahin po natin siya ng mabagal. Okay, so let's proceed po dun sa kanyang stanza. So, ang ginagawa po nung second guitar is, I think sumusundot-sundot lang siya, no? Naka-slight palm muted siya, no? Pagdating dun sa di na magbilang ang ating, instead na dito po niya ginagawa na. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Doon po niya ginagawa. So again, ganito po siya tinitipa, no? Hindi ganito. Kasi hindi po ako sanay. So, yung, ako ang ginagawa ko, yung aking middle finger, nilalagay ko dito sa 4th fret, 5th string. And then, yung aking ring finger nasa 4th fret, 3rd string. At yung aking index finger ay nasa 2nd fret, 4th string. Pinamabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Tapos ulit lang ulit yan. Sana po, nag-guess nyo yun. And then yung pare-pareho lang naman sila halos ng chords maliban dito. Yung itsura, no? Alright. And then, papasok po yung interlude na merong mga chords na ganito, no? E tsaka A9. No, meron pong solo din dyan, maigsing solo, no? Yun po yung papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Alright, let's do it. Okay, breakdown po natin, no? Ang nangyari po dun sa una, put your finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and then on 4th fret, 4th string, slide to 6th fret, 4th string, no? Ganun po. And then 4th fret, 3rd string. And then hammer to on 6th fret, 3rd string. Pagkatapos ng hammer, slide back to 4th fret, 3rd string. After nun, dalawang kalabit dito sa 2nd fret, 4th string. And then, balik sa 4th fret, 3rd string. Slide to 6th fret, 3rd string. And then, kalabitin yung E open. Yung E or yung 1st string. Okay? So, gawin po natin ng mabagal. Okay, after nun, lagyan nyo yung daliri nyo sa 6th fret, 3rd string. And then, after nun, 5th fret, 2nd string. And then, 7th fret, 2nd string. Slide to 9th fret, 2nd string. And then, dalawang kalbet dito sa 5th fret, 2nd string. And then, 7th fret, 1st string. Dalawa rin. Tapos, slide to 9th fret, 1st string. And then, goes back to 7th fret, 2nd string. Tapos, kalabit ulit. And then, slide back to 5th fret, 2nd string. Then, goes back again to 7th fret, 2nd string. Slide to 9th fret, 2nd string. And then, after that, lagyan nyo yung daliri nyo dito sa 7th fret, 1st string. And then, sa 7th fret, 2nd string. So, gawin po natin ng mabagal. Alright, so pag samasamahin po natin siya, no, ng mabagal. Alright. Okay, so pagkatapos po nun, stanza ulit, yung naka-palm mute sila, no? No, ang chord po nung leadista, again, pareho lang maliban dito sa chord na to. Si Mr. TJ, nakaganto siya, nakaganito. Tapos open. No, open. Open yung first at second string, maliban dito sa bass ng E string. Alright, or 6th string. And then, after nung stanza, chorus, again, pareho po lahat ng chords, maliban dito sa C sharp minor 7. Siya po yung nakaganto. Na? Again, open pa rin yan. Para yung dito. Alright? And then, after ng chorus, bababad sila dito sa A9. Palagi. Tapos papasok yung bridge na sa pagdating ng ating pilakakinto. So ito po yung mga chords nun, di ba? Alam nyo na. Tapos again, pare-pareho lang maliban dito. Maliban po dito. Alright? So, kada C sharp ni Mr. TJ, ang C sharp niya dito. Ay, sorry. Ha? Sa pagdating ng ating, no? Pilakat ginto. O pwede siya dito. Na 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 or na 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 na. Okay po ba? Sana po na-gets. If you have questions, just don't hesitate to comment on the comment section or PM nyo po ako sa aking FB page, okay? Yun lang po siya. Alright. And then yung ending po, tinuro ko na dun sa aking part 1 ng video, no? Kung di nyo pa napapanood yung part 1, please panoorin nyo po. The same ending lang rin po yun kasi si Mr. TJ Monterde, hindi na po siya nagigitara dun sa last chorus na sa uli palagi. Hindi na po siya nagigitara dun. Ang nagigitara na lang yung kanyang leadista. So, ang chord po nun ganun lang rin. Maliban again sa C sharp minor 7, nakaganto siya. Alright. Sana po na-gets nyo. And okay, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating part 2 ng Palagi Wish 1075 bus version by Mr. TJ Monterde and his company. Alright, may penista pa dun eh. Okay, so until my next video, loobin, makagawa po ulit ako ng panibago, no? May plano po akong gawin yung kanyang yung MTV version, no? Yung may music video version niya. Yung dito. Dun sa aking acoustic guitar kapag kumpleto na ulit yung kanyang kwerdas. So, paki-abangan nyo po. Stay tuned to that. Alright, so again, salamat po ng maraming sa mga supporters and sa mga followers, sa mga nag-subscribe and mga nagko-comment sa aking YouTube channel, sa Facebook page, sa TikTok. Salamat mo ng marami sa inyo and namomotivate po akong gumawa ng mga videos. No? Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga and again, Ken Guitars here. God bless you all. Stay safe, peace, and stay rock and roll, baby.